everyone, welcome back to our channel. Where we have come today?
Well, today is the first day of stage 1 opening in Canada, so we
Yeah.
have decided to come for a small picnic.
Small picnic, and we're gonna have our lunch here, which I have made.
Show them around.
Puri and aloo.
Dum and bindi bhaji.
Bindi bhaji. Yeah, ta kêu xíu được ta năm xí tính chết tên nhỉ?
Dum dekha.
Ta chola cái cho xe vậy. 쏜다, chola.
Chola mare.
Tell sao ra.
Ha.
Yeah, tang ở dưới thari. Tiếng của lo.
First chure. Honey, the camera.
Thari.
Moved.
What's wrong?
It moved. It's showing. Pura mati. On of it.
Juicy. 똥으로 와야.
Pura mati di mana? Pura mati di mana?
This is.
Yes.
It's perfect now. 이제 와. 아니 가리. 됐다. 알루담. 알루담 खानु पर्छ आजु. अनि
So what we're gonna do is, we have bought some paper towels so that we can protect the table. We don't wanna get,
아니다. 뿌리.
yeah. Yeah. So, to make it
또 주스 카체다. 주스.
it's the wind.
야. 신랑이 오는 거. 서.
Ah,
선글라스 키면.
what? China? I have in the car.
봐요.
China.
자.
It's not mukbang. It's just a small picnic. Whoa. And 우리 China에서도. Shit.
Not bad. Tiene sola already. Lake.
Fort Erie. That's US.
lake. Lake.
Lake what?
추디.
Lake.
레이크야.
It's big.
这是那这弄不长不长的布。I think we should face that side.
Kind of like that.
All the places are packed. You get it? Parking area.
Limda hunem da ina. Parking da janem chaina. Happy Mujahid.
Okay, aloo.
I believe this is one of your best recipe. I really love it.
Kunche.
You know?
Aloo.
Mm.
I learned it from YouTube. One of the Nepali. Do you name? What's her name? I don't know even. I forgot it.
Happy eggs.
아니, 깨졌다.
Dad, you have to show them the lakes, the flowers, honey. Uy, dekha them. Nikalo. Try the kalama.
사당보.
What do you call it?
사자. 당복 할라 살름. 또 쑤셔. Mango juice.
Oh, look at the kid. She's got a nice bike.
Back.
Yummy.
But people are still maintaining social distancing.
See, one part of time, like the government has to announce the opening because, well, economy needs to be grow.
사이클 연다. Did you cycling? Tao say ko ba?
Bisa dekha na?
Minsan man cycle do da.
Zoom. How are you feeling today?
Fantastic.
You love it?
Amazing.
Look, guys. Dandelion. I almost lost my breath. Yo, what are you planning up?
I'll sleep for some time. I'll take a nap.
Did you get a blanket as well?
So nice to come to the sky and sleep.
It's a lovely pang out here. Just hold it. I'll blow this dandelion on your face.
Fall. They will work now. 엄마 준지시켜 말해. 말해.
왜 말해?
레레레다.
왜?
아니 됐어. 추. 아주 디유스레. 한번 가실래? 짜자자자자자. 짜자자자자자. 너무 장난치지.
Yeah, it's so
Tortilla.
cold.
Just because of this
It's
lake.
22 degrees Celsius, but still it's cold. Oh, yeah. See, would look good from here. Huh? I'll show them more.
Same there is. 좀 나와. 라라라라라. I shouldn't shake it so much, eh?
Yeah.
Or else people will say, "You're making us dizzy." Sorry for that. If I did.
So good to be out. And summer, we love summer. In Canada, the only thing a man can miss is summer and hockey.
TikTok crazy channel.
People behind you must be thinking you're crazy. What happened to this lady? Why is she dancing in the middle of the road? Yo, sweetheart, what's your name?
Elizabeth.
Don't tell Sheila, hey? What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Sheila.
Yo, stop.
My name is Sheila. Sheila Kijawan.
Run, I'm after you.
This guy. Mansa niya malap na latas tanggi ada di da. One piece reda, one piece. 1, 2, 3. Now it's your turn to entertain us. Tarang deh. Tarang. Tarang. Dilala cheme. Ta thakti tai. Ta thak.
This quarantine has made me so
Fat. I know.
not move.
Not only you.
Actually, it's total
Same
2 months
here.
lockdown. That is 60 days, bro. I'm tired. It's out of my breath. Too much running, eh?
Nhiều tú xăm người giảm mi sang mày.
Beautiful weather.
Do you have anything to say?
No words, I'm tired. All I can say is it's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day. Let's sing your favorite song. No, Tibetan.
Oh.
Ningduma. Nzushola chase medore. Ningduma. Kashija. Zedung kashin halaya. Nindu tenzi tomala. Kenip. Shit, I forgot the lyrics. Wait. Kenny namke, Kenny peme.
Well, I showed them this. Now she wanna sing a song by Sonam Tibetan. So.
म गर्छु सधैँ माया तिमीलाई किनकि हुँदैन तिमी बिना पुरा मेरो सपना अझै एउटा है चौपन्थीमा बाटो छैन भन्दैमा पाखिनमा घाँस काट्न जाने छैन भन्दैमा मलाई नेपाली होइन भन्न कहाँ पाइन्छ म चाहिँ नेपालको माया गर्ने छोरी मलाई म जस्तो माया चाहिन्छ साथी साथी छन् म के साथ रे मारे
It says no metal detectors and do not feed wild animals. Yo, did you get something? Did you hide something?
Yeah.
You should not. You'll be penalized for that.
I'm gonna give my heart.
Wow. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम तेरे बाहों में मर जा. Don't mind my lyrics and my voice, it's so bad, but seeing these flowers, those songs comes back to my mind. Childhood days. DDLJ. DDLJ. See, these are all yellow now. They will all turn into dandelion very soon. Like these ones. Maybe in a day or two, they all will turn into dandelion. You have to swim. La la. Wait. Be careful. I don't want you to fall. Yeah.
This is Queen's Park.
Queen's Royal Park. And that's the fort from where I hope so in the past they had war.
So cold.
Whoa, lovely. There. Whoa.
So cold.
You wanna go back? Damn, this is too cold. That is Fort Queen's Royal Park. And behind this lake, you see there? Those buildings? That is Toronto. Woo! Look, there are plenty of kids there. Oh, beautiful.
Buckle up your seatbelt because your mama is going to drive now.
Babe,
Alright?
whatever it is, please
Alright.
don't overspeed.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, well, be careful. Ah, man, you are a rough driver.
Oh shit, I need to slow down.
Let me
It's all 150.
What I'll do is I'll show you the odometer, how fast he's driving. She's still here. She didn't go anywhere. She doesn't know to drive. We are still in the park.
Oh my gosh, look at the cherry blossom.
How about this one?
Lovely. Alright guys, so this is the end of our video. We'll wrap up over here. And thank you so much for all the people who supported till now. And we
request people who have not subscribed yet to please do subscribe.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, we'll see you in the next video.
So stay safe.
Stay safe.
And be
safe.
happy.
And thank you and peace out.